Game can't find its code because of the D3d12core.dll. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. This DLL file is the core library for the Direct3d12 API. It contains the foundational logic for low-level graphics hardware access, allowing developers to maximize GPU performance and efficiency in modern games. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error usually indicates a missing graphics runtime component affecting the Direct3d12core.dll. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX-related DLLs and update your graphics drivers if the file depends on OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Direct3d12core file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. If you're attempting to register the Direct3d12core.dll yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing the Direct3d12 core. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Windows OS core, DirectX. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.